So today I'm going to do not necessarily a wash and go, but I'm still going to co-wash my hair with the hair mask, the Curl Confidence hair mask, right? Curl Confidence hair mask, and then we're going to do a braid out. We're braiding out our hair today. Why? Because, well, no, not today. We're braiding out our hair for a photo shoot tomorrow. I am graduating. I'm graduating with my postgraduate diploma and in business management, and we have our photo shoot for that virtual graduation tomorrow. And I'm also doing a little portrait for me to keep as well. So I'm going to do a braid out for that event, braiding each plait with the styling custard. This refuses to focus. Okay, so we're focusing from here. The Curl Confidence styling custard to braid the hair and the hair mask. Alright, so my hair was styled in a high bun for work today. I'm just gonna avoid tugging and snagging. I'm going to take off all my rings. So I have the sink underneath me here. I'm going to just wet my hair and then massage the deep conditioner in it. Let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse it out. So usually when I am washing my hair, co-washing my hair, I put my hair in sections, but for today's purposes, there's no real need for it. I'm just like rinsing out the sweat of the week, and I'm just rinsing out the sweat of the week and adding some moisture back to my hair from what I would have rinsed out with the co-wash. So it's just to help cleanse and moisturize in one. It's a lazy girl step, but it's so effective when you have like a kind of quick spurty moment situation, like a photo shoot the next day. It's a very creamy consistency of the product. I just did a cardinal, I broke a cardinal rule there where I started from the root. You're supposed to start from the ends and work your way up, but you were playing some nice music, boy. Listen to the sound. I never feel this free. Right, so it's combed out. get all the knots and tangles that flipping my hair into a bun all week would have created. And now to rinse this out. See the curls coming in there, and see a little definition there that the deep conditioner creates. Na, 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 na. So I'm gonna flip my head over again and rinse it out in the sink. So I forgot to get my wet hair wrap. It was a hair wrap that I essentially tie my hair into a turban with to dry out some of the excess water. It's made of a type of jersey material, which is better for curly hair versus towels, the little, see them little ridges there? They're looking harmless enough. Shouldn't even rub it on my face, but they're looking harmless enough, but they pull and tug on your hair if your hair is fragile, and my hair strands are actually very fine, so I use a particular type of hair wrap. So I'm gonna get it now to show you. So it's made of a jersey material. There's a little button here and a little loop, and I'm gonna show you how I use it. Right, and all my excess hair is in here. And that dries all the excess water. And I put it with the loop in the bottom in the back of my head. So I'm going to keep this on for about 15 to 20 minutes while the excess water dries from in my hair, and I'm just gonna clean up this mess. So while my hair was drying, I actually went and I got the hair pomade, because even though the styling concealer is really moisturizing, because of my hair porosity, I actually like to seal in moisture with this hair pomade. It has shea butter with some beeswax in it, Jamaican black castor oil. So it's a heavier butter. It's not really for everybody, but if your hair one, can take the weight, and two, it tends to get drier a little bit quicker, it may be nice to have a heavier butter that seals in moisture in your hair. So I'm going to take down so this is my hair just after co-washing it. Just with the co-washer alone with the conditioning hair mask, and it feels soft, feels smooth. I actually feel the difference from when my hair was, you know, kind of, I don't want to say matted, but just stuck in one hairstyle for an extended period of time. You know how your hair gets when you do that. So brought some life back into my hair. That's what I attempted to achieve. Yeah. So I did not section my hair. Let's do that now. And I'm putting the pomade into each section. So I already put it on this section. I'll put some in the back. Now, oftentimes when I'm styling my hair, this is as far as I go, where I co-wash my hair, let the co-wash do its thing, and rock the definition as is. rocky definition as is right here, but we're hoping to get just a little bit more, so we'll do a braid out. So now I'm going to use the styling custard and put some of that custard into my hair for moisture and definition. Let me show you how to trick. See this brush? I have a visitor. Yes, ma'am. What is that?
So this is a Mama's garden, and they're waiting for the flowers to grow. And this is the little cottage that you see that's purple. This is the little cottage they live in.
Okay.
And it's a bright summer day.
Okay. Very lovely. You wanna go practice a little more?
Sure.
It's okay. Okay.
And maybe you can take some pictures and show some clients.
Will do.
And tell them which one's the best that to stay in.
Okay. Now back to regularly scheduled programming. With this brush, just brush it through. After putting the styling custard, detangled and defined. Seen that? We are halfway done. Trying to make sure this part is perfect because I'm going to part my hair on this side and wear my braid out on this side. Yeah. So you have to make sure that these braids, these are the braids that will be framing the face, or the section of the hair that we frame in the face. So I'm gonna put just a little more custard in it. to ensure these curls are well defined. So that's it for the braiding section of this video, and not gonna make it difficult, just put on a satin bonnet. To sleep in. I'm wondering if I should band to knot it so that they would remain elongated, but it's a braid out. That's the wonderful thing about a braid out, is that it tends to remain elongated better than a twist out. Hello, so this is voiceover Carice here. Makeup is done, and I'm going to take down my braids to reveal my eventual twist out. It's the morning of my photo shoot, and we're getting ready. We're in a hurry. The whole family had to pack Jaji bundle and head to my 9:30 appointment, so we're in a bit of a hurry. Let's pretend you're not seeing any movement behind the curtain. Let's pretend there's no one having an actual shower behind the Merry Christmas curtain. So I moisturize my hands and my hair with the Strengthen Those Roots growth oil. You'll see my daughter in the frame in a few seconds. She insists on being in the frame. There you go. The purpose of putting the oil is that my hair stays hydrated and doesn't get frizzy. I would have migrated back and forth between the bathroom and my bedroom where the fan is, as to not let my face melt with all that makeup I have on there. So you can see my braids are very much defined, and that's the great thing about a braid out, is that you get more length, you get more definition, and you get a nice long-lasting style. To increase the longevity of the style, I would put my hair in braids to sleep every night, for every night that I want the style the next morning. I don't have the professional photos from this shoot, simply because we're expecting to get them next year, but this photo shoot is just for us to have our virtual graduation ceremony, so I can look pretty and represent for the natural curly girls. But they did provide a selfie corner for us, so I have a couple of shots of me in my selfie corner with my graduation attire on. Thank you for watching my video on how I achieved this style using my Curl Confidence line of products.